Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to today's class. In this class, we are going to learn how to multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number without regrouping and the multiplication of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number with regrouping. So here is the steps we need to follow when we multiply. So step 1. Multiply the ones, write the answer under the ones column. So here is my step 2. We need to multiply the tens and write the answer under the tens column. Then step 3. We need to multiply the hundreds and write the answer under the hundreds column. This is very simple, children. First multiply ones place, then write the answer under the ones column, then multiply the tens place, write the answer under the tens column, then multiply the hundreds place and write the answer under the hundreds column. So this is very simple. So let's have a look at the small number where we don't need to carry over our digits. Okay, so here is my first problem. Multiply 341 into 2. So first write the numbers correctly, draw the line. So what is your first step? So we need to multiply the ones. Here, which is my ones place? This is my ones place. So in ones place I have 1 and 2. Okay, so if I multiply 1 times 2, I will get the answer 2. So I need to write the answer under the ones column. So this is my ones column, so I need to write the answer here. So that is 2. Okay, so next step, multiply the tens. Okay, so here which is my tens place? So this is my tens place and a single digit. Okay, so tens place by a digit, given digit. Okay, so that is 4 times 2. Okay, so 4 times 2 equals to 8. Okay, so write that under the tens column. Okay, so now we will move on to the next step. Multiply the hundreds. So in hundreds place we have 3. So we are going to multiply this 3 with the given digit 2. So that is 3 times 2. Okay, so 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. So we need to write that under the hundreds column. So here what is my answer? 682. That's all, children. So very simple problem, this one. I hope you understood this clearly, right? So let's move on to the bigger number. So using carry over, so how to multiply we are going to see now. Okay, so similarly write the numbers first, draw the line. So what is the first step? First we need to multiply the ones place. Okay, so we need to multiply ones place with a given digit. So in ones place I have 4, then the given digit is 5. So I need to multiply 4 and 5 here. Okay, so here 4 times 5 equals to 20. That is 2 tens plus 0 ones. Okay, so I need to write the tens in the tens column. I need to write the ones under the ones column. That is, so write the 0 under the ones column, carry over the 2 to the tens column. Okay, so now you understood this, right? How to carry over after multiplying this. So now we will move on to the second step. to multiply with the tens place. Okay, so now we are going to multiply this with the tens place. So in tens place now we have 3. So we need to multiply the 3 with the given digit 5.
Miss, here 3 times 5 equals to 15. We already have 2 as a carry. If we add 15 and 2, we will get 17. That is 17 tens, which is equal to 1 hundreds plus 7 tens.
Now I can carry over this 100 to the hundreds place and keep the 7 tens in the tens place. Okay, so write 7 in the tens place, carry over 1 to the hundreds place. Okay, so now we will do the next step, hundreds place. Now we are going to multiply the hundreds place with the given digits. Okay, so in hundreds place I have 1, then the given digit is 5. So 1 times 5 equals to 5. So already I have the carry over, that is 1. So 5 plus 1 equals to 6. Okay, so here I can directly write this 6 under the hundreds column. So here is my answer, 670. Okay, so I hope you understood this problem, right? So how to multiply the 3-digit number by a 1-digit number using carry over. Okay, so let's move on to the another ones. You are going to try this one. Okay, so multiply 232 into 3 multiplied by 3. Can you try this, children, on your own? Yeah, I will give some time to finish this problem. So try this on your own. This is the simple sum. So do it on your own, children.
Miss, first multiply the ones with the 1-digit number and write the answers in the ones column. That is 2 times 3 equals to 6. So we can write 6 under this ones column. Now we need to multiply the tens with the 1-digit number and write the answers in the tens column. That is 3 times 3 equals to 9. So we can write 9 under the tens column.
And finally, we need to multiply hundreds with a 1-digit number and write the answers in the hundreds column. That is 2 times 3 equals to 6. So we can write 6 under the hundreds column. So here our answer comes out to be 696. Thank you.
Very good, children. So everyone got the answer correctly, right? Yeah. So this shows you understood the multiplication of 3-digit number by a 1-digit number clearly. Okay. So it's a time for Kahoot. So children, open your Google Classroom, copy the Kahoot pin, then go to the link, then enter your pin and play the Kahoot joyfully. Okay, so you have practice problems in your PDF content. So go through your content PDF, then when you're free, sit and work out all the practice problems. Okay children, here our class ends. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself and bye children.